There was a little bit of strife. I wouldn't consider it massive because from the baseline of the economy and where we are, I can a lot of people would have expected more because transport is such a critical artery in the country and from an economic point of view. But I'd be pretty confident. I think we, particularly the bus companies, we've probably broken the back of it in relation to we've commitments now and agreements with them for the next couple of years. So I would expect that those times are over and we can work together, particularly with passenger numbers growing. Passenger numbers growing negates most of the issues full stop. We have challenges. We have challenges in relation to investment. Bus fleets, money has to be found for bus fleets. Money has to be found for redevelopment of certain critical pieces of infrastructure like the bus stations. I now have an issue that I have to deal with, which is the train station down in Cork. The train station in Cork. This is something that was on my radar, but these issues come up. But collectively, you do deal with them.